Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have Git and a GitHub account. Now start. In the repo folder, run Git init to create local history, then Git add to stage everything you want tracked. Once staged, commit with git commit m initial to capture the snapshot. Make sure user name and user email are set so commits link to your GitHub identity. If you plan to work on several branches, create one now with git branch main or git checkout b main and keep moving forward. Once the local commit exists, connect to GitHub by adding the remote origin URL. Use git remote add origin followed by the repository URL GitHub gave you. If using HTTPS, be ready to enter credentials or a token. If using SSH, ensure your key is added to GitHub. After that, push your branch with git push uorigin main to upload commits and set up stream. Make sure to pull before pushing when collaborating and resolve merge conflicts locally with git merge or git rebase. Work in a branch for each change. Git checkout b feature /name, commit incremental changes as you go. When ready, push that branch with git push uorigin feature /name and open a pull request on GitHub to review and merge. If your push is rejected, fetch origin, git pull rebase or merge to incorporate remote commits, resolve any conflicts, commit the resolutions, then push again. If authentication errors occur, verify your token or SSH key and retry. This single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.